can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to talk about the release dates for Supreme Spring Summer 2021. Thank God we're out of 2020, and hopefully 2021 has a lot of better things to offer for each and every one of you guys, and as well as myself. Hopefully this year is the year that we get everything that we've been wanting. Just make sure that you work hard for what you want, because it won't just come to you. But hey, aside of all that, leave a like on this video if you do end up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to click the post notification bells. That's the most important part in order to be notified each and every time I post a new video. Look at the sub count, subscribe, bro. Just subscribe down below. A bunch of content is coming. I literally filmed like 4 to 5 videos within these past 2 days, and I don't plan on stopping, bro. So let's go ahead and run it up, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the dates, but we are also gonna talk about a couple leaks, whether it's for Supreme or just some cool ass sneakers that I've been seeing on Instagram. We're gonna go ahead and talk about it after we talk about the actual dates. So for US and UK, the date for the teaser is gonna be Monday, February 8th, which is literally like 4 weeks away if I'm not mistaken. And I'm pretty excited to see what they're gonna bring this season. I feel like with Supreme being sold to a new company, we might start seeing it either be limited again or just get produced even more, which would be a nightmare. Hopefully we do get some fire shit this season, but the teaser is gonna come out on the 8th of February. The following Monday after the 8th, which is the 15th of February, we are gonna see the teaser and the lookbook come out as well. So that is when you're gonna see YouTubers do their preview slash lookbook videos. I'm gonna do one myself. Hopefully, like I said before, we do get a lot of bangers. I feel like last season wasn't all that bad. They just didn't have anything that banged. Like my favorite item was the Mortal Kombat machine. Hopefully we get something sick like that this season. But every item that's gonna come out for the entire season as far as the lookbook goes, we're gonna see on the 15th of February, which is like a month and a week away. That's kind of a good amount of time for you to go ahead and save some money for Supreme to come out again. Honestly, this is a little bit weird, but the same week that we get the lookbook slash preview, on the 18th of February, we're gonna see the in-store and online. Normally they do the in-store and online releases separate, like on 2 separate days. Like for example, they'll do the in-store release on a Monday, and that following Thursday they'll do the online release. But I don't know exactly what's going on this season. They're just gonna do it all in one. So the same week from the lookbook, we're gonna get the lookbook slash preview, then we're gonna get the drop list for week 1, then we get the week 1 in-store slash live cop, which that week is gonna be loaded. I'm actually really excited to see how they roll it out and all that kind of stuff, because it's normally a little bit more spread out. This season that shit is all coming in one. You get lookbook preview week 1, and then boom, the shit comes out the next day pretty much. So that week 1 is gonna be the 18th, and then week 2 is gonna land on the 25th, where we're gonna see the first collab of the season. Hopefully it's like a Nike collab with a leak that I will show you guys in a little while, but I feel like this season should be good. Hopefully they don't botch this one, because low-key this is one of the big seasons for Supreme. If they mess this one up, a lot of people are gonna hop off the Supreme bandwagon. A lot of people actually already stopped buying Supreme, but I feel like there's a lot of people who still are into it, and a lot of people are coming into it as well. If Supreme starts dropping limited items like they used to, we can go ahead and pick this back up again. But if they start flooding with a lot of stock, this is gonna be a problem for their long-term duration, I feel like. So we saw all the dates for the US and UK. I'm gonna briefly talk about the Japan dates, just in case there are some of you guys who are into it. We got the same dates for the teaser and the lookbook. So the teaser comes out the 8th of February, and the lookbook preview comes out on the 15th. Where it varies a little bit is the dates of the actual releases. For the week 1 in-store and online, it's gonna be on February 20th, which is a Saturday, and then the following week for Supreme would be the following Saturday. Does Supreme release on Saturdays in Japan? I honestly don't even know, but I'm guessing it does, because every release over here says Saturday. But that's pretty much the dates that we have for the actual season. I do want to talk about the fact that I feel like for week 2 we're gonna see the Nike collab, but hopefully we don't get the white and black Air Forces that are supposed to keep restocking through the seasons. There's some leaks going around saying that there's gonna be a pair of Flax Air Force One lows. If this is the case, these are the new Tims, bro. Low-key, if these do end up releasing, I will go ahead and scoop them up. I just feel like it's a clean pair of Air Force Ones with the subtle branding on it. You cannot go wrong with it. Y'all already know New York is known for the uptowns, so when it comes to Air Force Ones mixed with a Tim, it's over, bro. Like, you need the Yutta forces out here, and I definitely will go ahead and scoop these up. I wonder if they're gonna do like a full collection for these, or is it just gonna be the sneaker? That's something that we're gonna have to wait and see. But I know that y'all saw Urban Necessities unbox the Supreme Dunks that are rumored to come out this season. Apparently they're saying that they're actually gonna come out, and I'm actually excited for it. They're supposed to be Jordan 1s and Dunk lows. I don't know exactly how true that is, because both of those are really similar, and I don't think they would do both in the same year. If that is the case, I feel like these Dunks will definitely have great resale. I honestly am not the biggest fan of some of these colorways. Like, that burgundy looks like a doodle brown almost, and that green is horrendous, but the black color is a banger, and then the blue one is definitely my favorite. I'm probably gonna put the picture of the blue ones here, and I feel like these are the ones that are gonna go for crazy money. The fact that they're lows, first of all, people are loving Dunks right now, and Nike is running them to the ground, but these are definitely bangers, and there's rumors that these are gonna release this upcoming season. I want to see what they're gonna come out with, bro. I feel like this could be a banger, it could be a dookie release. I really do hope that they do a good amount so people are able to get their hands on it. The only ones I would really even want are the blue ones or the black ones. The other ones are just complete ass, and if I did get them, I'd probably just end up reselling them. If I get the blue or black though, that's a personal pickup, hands down. Since we're on the topic of Dunks, we're gonna talk about a couple Dunks releases that I've just seen leaked on Instagram. One of them being the Hyper Cobalt colorway. This is like a black with the blue color, almost like a reverse bred Jordan 1, but with the blue color in a low version for the Dunks. That's just completely different, but these are actually clean. It almost reminds me of the Kentucky, but every part that's white is actually black besides the midsole. This is a clean pair, and if I could get my hands on it, I definitely will. They're saying that these are gonna come out soon. Honestly, Dunks are gonna get run down, bro. There's too many pairs releasing. The thing with Dunks is that there's so many solid colorways that you just can't go wrong with. There's also this exclusive colorway. I think it's exclusive to Asia. This one is a banger, something that you could probably see Travis Scott wearing. It's almost like this chestnut colorway with like a cream, buttercream on the swoosh. This shit is a banger, and I honestly would pick this up if it wasn't an Asia exclusive, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that to the side. There's rumored to be another ambush Dunk. These are actually fire, bro. When they released the black pair, I was already on board. This red one right here, the Chicago ambush Dunk, is actually crazy. I love the features on it. The double sole inspired thing from the Sakai's on the back is fire. The deconstructed look with like the collar of it popping out and the swoosh popping out is actually fire in my opinion as well. This is a banger, and I definitely feel like resale for these is gonna go through the roof, just like the black ones. Low-key, those are going for bread right now. We're gonna talk about a banger sneaker which was actually seen worn by Travis Scott, obviously because it is a Travis Scott Jordan 1 low, almost in this colorway. It has like this blue on the back, the navy on the front. It's pretty much the same shit with the Travis Scott effect, so I want to see what prices are gonna do for these. These are already going for crazy money, like 500 DS, so I wonder what the Travis Scott effect is gonna do to these. Honestly, the lows actually look pretty fire. It's literally the same sneaker with a white swoosh on the side and the Cactus Jack branding, to be honest. Besides that, there's nothing really much to it. He did kill it with those lows, because I feel like this sneaker is probably one of my favorites. These released in 2019, and honestly, I've worn these a ton. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but I've worn these a whole lot, so I feel like I would actually try to go for those and hopefully freak them. I actually gotta clean these bitches, because the way that the prices are looking, I need to keep these clean. But the Travis Scott ones are definitely hard. I could see myself going for those in the future. Hopefully they release and they're not just another sample like the reversed original colorway. Last up, we got two retros returning from the grave. First of all, we got the Flint Jordan 7s coming back. The way that these are looking is fire, bro. I'm probably gonna have to scoop these up. I don't have any 7s in my collection. I sold my Cardinals, and honestly, I would really love to pick up a pair of Raptors. That's probably my favorite Jordan 7, and a pair of Olympics. Those are also one of my favorites. If I could pick up those two, I'm good, but these Flints are actually looking fire. The only thing with Jordan 7s is that a lot of people sleep on them, bro. I don't think that these will have a lot of resale, but the way that things are looking with Jordans nowadays, if it's an OG colorway, they will sell out, obviously, and down the line, they will start going up in price. I am gonna try to go ahead and pick these up for the personal collection. I love the way that suede is looking on it. It's almost like a nubuck, and it looks really brushable, if you feel what I'm saying. But shout out to the Flint. I'm excited to see these, and I just want Raptors to come back out. That's all I want. I want Raptor 7s and Cherry 12s, and I'll be good, bro. Cool Gray 11s would be appreciated, but it's rumored that those are gonna come out this year as well. The last sneaker that I'm gonna talk about in this video is the Raging Bull Jordan 5. If y'all know, this is one of the best Jordan 5s that released to the general public, kinda. I know that there's Tokyos, there's a bunch of other Jordan 5s, but this is one of the bangers, and it's confirmed that these are gonna come out this season. I'm super amped about that. We got Carmines, we got the Raging Bulls, the Flints, bro, we got Lightning 4s. This year is gonna be a solid ass year for sneakers, and this Jordan 5 is one that I'm definitely gonna try to go for. Honestly, I only have one pair of Jordan 5s in the collection, and it's the off-white ones. So if I could go ahead and get my hands on another pair, being this Raging Bull, I definitely would bite the bullet on these. They're looking like a solid release for April. April's looking like a crazy month for sneakers. So is February. I just feel like y'all need to buckle your seats, because I'm coming with the sneaker content this year in full effect. I'm gonna try to find a sneaker plug that sells sneakers before they release. Hopefully we could work out some shit where I can plug them on the channel constantly, and I could get like a under $400 price point. That way I can go ahead and make these early pickups for you guys on a regular basis. That's honestly the direction that I'm trying to take the channel. I'm still gonna do my Supreme shit as y'all see, but I'm trying to incorporate a whole bunch more shit to the channel. If y'all did enjoy this video though, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.